GBC Ultima 65 Laminator. Real results. 27-inch posters that actually look pro. You know that moment when the science fair is tomorrow and every parent shows up with a poster that needs laminating right now? Or when the principal walks in asking for 24 by 36 welcome signs for Monday's open house and your old pouch laminator starts smoking after the third one? Maybe you're the teacher who spent 2 hours last Friday night fighting bubbles and wrinkles because the cheap machine curled every single flashcard. You're stuck choosing between stuff that looks homemade or paying the print shop $8 a foot. Either way, you're exhausted, out of time, and the materials still don't last the whole school year. Those flimsy pouch jobs peel at the corners by October, colors fade under the hallway lights, and kids pick at the edges until everything looks 10 years old by spring break. You waste hours babysitting a slow machine that jams if you breathe on it wrong, then more hours trimming crooked edges because nothing ever feeds straight. Meanwhile, the budget gets eaten by expensive pouches and rush print shop runs while you watch perfectly good teaching aids curl, crack, or get ruined the first time a marker touches them. You're basically throwing money and time into a trash can every single month, and the sad part? Everyone still thinks that's just how lamination is. You're tired of apologizing for materials that don't look professional and don't survive real classroom life. Then we brought in the GBC Ultima 65 Thermal Roll Laminator, and everything actually changed. This is a real 27-inch heavy-duty roll machine, built like the ones professional print shops use, but designed for schools that need it daily. It warms up in 10 minutes flat, takes standard, inexpensive roll film, and turns out perfect, bubble-free, edge-to-edge lamination on anything from ID tags to full banners. You just load the rolls, feed the sheet, and walk away. It does the rest. No more babysitting, no more curling, no more wasting half your evening on a project that still looks second-rate. Teachers now walk in, drop a 24 by 36 poster on the table, hit one button, and 3 minutes later they're holding a perfectly sealed, perfectly flat masterpiece that looks like it came from a commercial shop. The auto speed feature picks the exact right speed every time, so even parent volunteers get flawless results on the first try. Easy load film means you'll never load a roll backwards again and waste 50 feet of film finding out. We ran over 8,000 feet last year with 0 jams and 0 service calls. One middle school media specialist told me, "I used to dread lamination day. Now kids fight to be the one who gets to run the Ultima 65 because it's actually fun." Signs stay gorgeous all year, flashcards survive sticky little hands, and banners don't curl in the gym heat. You finally get professional protection at a fraction of the cost per foot. If you're ready to stop throwing away time and money on lamination that doesn't last, click the link in the description right now. The GBC Ultima 65 is in stock today at the lowest price we've seen all year, and most warehouses are shipping same day. Thousands of schools already made the switch and will never go back to pouches. One machine pays for itself in under a semester on film savings alone. Click below, grab yours before the back-to-school rush hits, and finally get lamination that looks pro and actually survives real classroom life. You deserve this.